How to fix Grindr app frozen on startup or stuck on loading grid. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix Grindr app frozen. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If your Grindr app is frozen on startup or whether it is stuck on the loading grid, there could be a couple of reasons why this is happening. First off, you want to make sure it's not the issue with the internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to a cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, then what we can try to do is we can go ahead and then if you're using Android, long press the Grindr application. Tap on the eye icon, which you'll find on any Android, which is ultimately going to take you to your app info page. Remember that if you're using your iPhone, you might want to offload your app. Now, once you're here back to the video, you want to scroll down and look for the option called storage and tap on it. Under storage, tap on the clear cache button and clear the data as well. And remember that clearing the data is going to log you out of your account. So unless you remember your credentials, I don't think that you should do this. Just clear the cache only. Then after you've done that, go to your Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, search for Grindr. Check if the Grindr app has an update. And if it does, then do make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you in the next video.